Welcome to 6th grade Language Arts Small Group Special Education. My name is Mrs. Gonzalez and this is my 17th year teaching at JMMS. I have a master's degree in education with a concentration in special education, a Bachelor of Arts degree in education with a concentration in special education, and I currently hold endorsements in language arts and English language development, which is otherwise known as ELD or ELL. At James Monroe Middle School, we have an ELA goal. By May 2024, JMMS Middle School ELA students will increase the percentage of students performing at grade level or above from 24% to 33% as measured by the Spring 2024 iReady Reading Diagnostic. In my classroom, we work towards this goal by completing bell work that covers grammar, capitalization, and spelling every day. We read novels and graphic novels. We begin the year by reviewing letter sounds and phonics through booklets. We rotate through ELA centers in small groups, create and play educational games, and we earn stamps by participating in all activities. The stamps can be used at the class store. I always accept donations for the class store. In both my ELA and ELD classes, we are reading The One and Only Ivan. We start by listening to the text, and then students have the opportunity to read a page aloud to the class. I always provide a list of characters, their description, and their names from the One and Only Ivan novel for students to reference. During center rotation, students were able to select their favorite character from the One and Only Ivan and make a character t-shirt. Students also drew Ivan's domain during small group center rotations. This is my class sample. Here are some of the completed drawings done by students of Ivan's domain. We talked about how this is the current setting of the story, which is at the Big Top Mall. In my ELD class on Mondays and Fridays, we assign roles and read aloud the graphic novel El Defo by C.C. Bell. It is an autobiography text and a true story. During small group rotations, me and my assistant usually start by reviewing sight word flashcards with students. They do get increasingly harder as they level up. This is me reviewing flashcards with students. Oftentimes on Thursdays and Fridays, I start my ELA small group rotation with this block spelling game. Students really enjoy it. We make it a competition among students to see who can spell words the quickest. Here are students playing the game. These are the letter sounds and phonics books that I use with my first period ELA class. My fourth period ELD class is starting the year by reviewing digraphs through these booklets in small groups. During small group rotations, students also have the opportunity to work at an independent computer station. They are completing the Lexia Power-Up reading lessons. This is my educational assistant, Mrs. Lopez's station. She is helping the students draw Ivan's domain. This is the self-inking stamper and point sheet that students use to collect stamps throughout the class period. They are rewarded for following directions and staying on task. These stamps can be used at the class store. Once a week, students have access to the class store. They can choose to spend their hard-earned stamps or save them for the following week to collect a bigger prize. Thank you for attending open house and finding out what goes on in the ELA and ELD classroom. You're always welcome to reach out and email me. That is the best form of contact. Have a great night.